kids. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. Okay, today we're going to do dinosaurs. Before we start, I would like to introduce you with the materials we're going to use. Let's start.
Diplodocus. Diplodocus.
First, we're going to make a diplodocus. Step 1. Flatten the cardboard tube first. Step 2. Trace or sketch the template shapes on the flattened toilet roll. It should look like this. Step 3. Using scissors and cut it out. Step 4. Paint your dinosaurs. I'm using color green. Make sure you paint it inside and outside the dinosaurs. Let the paint dry a few minutes. Next, we're going to make a Triceratops. Step 1. Flatten the cardboard tube first. Step 2. Trace or sketch the template shapes on the flattened toilet roll. This time, I'm using color yellow. Paint it outside and inside the dinosaurs. Paint, let them dry a few minutes. This time to decorate my dinosaurs. Make sure color the horns of the Triceratops. I'm using the googly eyes. You also can use a pen or a marker to draw the eyes. Don't forget to fold its tails and its head of your dinosaurs. Now I'm going to stick my googly eyes. It's done! Yay! Next, I'm going to use cutter to cut a hole to put the horns of the Triceratops. Make sure you ask help from your parents. This part quite dangerous with you. Now fold the tails of your dinosaurs and the heads of the dinosaurs. Make sure you put the horns inside upside. Now put the googly eyes, or you can use a pen marker to draw its eyes. Now put the horn inside the hole. This is a Triceratops. That's all for today. Don't forget to try. Bye bye.